Hey everyone, Chef Tom here from PC Choice. Are you going bananas? Well, don't. Cook with them. And today we are. We're going to make a beautiful banana bread that's delicious and so easy to make. Okay, let me introduce the ingredients we're using today. Well, of course, we need bananas. So these are frozen bananas I had in my freezer. I mashed them up. That's about 1.5 cups of bananas. Then we have sugar. We have 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chocolate wafers. I just broke them up. Some melted butter, about 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1.5 cups of flour. So we want to start off with our bananas. Put those all in. And some of our melted butter. Then I'm going to add my sugar. All together. And then my egg. So I'm going to just crack 1 egg in here. A little bit of our vanilla. And now we can start adding our dry ingredients. Traditionally, you don't put chocolate chips in. You usually put like roasted walnuts or any kind of nut that you like. But today I thought, why not? I love chocolate. We had chocolate in the pantry, so in it goes. Okay, now that we've mixed everything together, it's time to put it in our pan. What we did is we greased it with a little bit of butter all over on the sides too. Add a little bit of flour, so we prepared this pan. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to tap it to even it out, get any air bubbles out, and that's going to go in the oven for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. And we're going to check by putting in a skewer and seeing if it comes out clean. So see you in a bit. Okay, just took out my banana bread. It's been in the oven for about 1 hour. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the skewer and make sure it's nice and clean. And it comes out clean. So there we have it. There's a little bit of chocolate in there and that's fine. But we don't see any crumbs and it's not moist whatsoever. The chocolate's still melting, which is great. And then we're going to leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes and then pop it out. We don't want to leave it in here too long because it's going to create too much moisture and we don't want a soggy outer edge. We want it nice and crispy. Okay, we've taken our banana bread out of the pan. It's looking delicious, nice and moist on the inside. We have a nice crust on the outside, good balance, a beautiful banana bread. So there you have it. Keep watching and see you soon.